Hey, it's Jay today.
And Gwen tomorrow.
Join us on our adventures. All right, guys, we're in Alabama, and look at the waterfall we got to see today. So we're currently at a campground. I don't want to slaughter the name, but it starts with an N. It's in Gadsden, kind of.
Yeah.
Gadsden, Alabama. So about 90 miles from Chattanooga. Gadsden, Alabama, about 90 miles from Chattanooga, Tennessee. And we stumbled across this, so this is very cool. So just wanted to show you guys. And I'm pretty sure there's gonna be many more to see. This is the first one.
Not sure if it shows up on camera, but there was a rainbow at the bottom.
Very cool. That waterfall is so awesome looking.